Hello. Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khernar and today's topic is garbage collection in Java and it is 5th Jan 22. What is a garbage collector? Garbage collector used to collect unused object and delete this object to free up the memory. Garbage collection in Java is a process in which Java programs perform the automatic memory management. It can be it compiles to bytecode that can be run on Java virtual machines. When Java program run on Java virtual machine, objects are created on heap memory, which is a portion of memory dedication to the programs. Um, in a program, we need to create or destruct the particular object. Usually programmer neglects the destruction of useless object. Due to this, at a certain point sufficient memory may not be available to create a new object, and the entire program will terminated abnormally, causing out of memory error. So that purpose the garbage collector is used, which can delete the unused object automatically and free up space for to create a new object. um, in Java, programmer programmer need not to care for those all objects which are not in use. Garbage collector destroy this object automatically. The main objective of a garbage collector is to free heap memory by destroying unreachable object. Garbage collector is Java garbage collector is an automatic process. Automatic collection is the process of looking at heap memory and identifying which objects are in use and which are not in use, and deleting that unused object in memory, and use in use object or a reference objects mean some part of program still maintain pointer to that object. An unused or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by any part of program. So the memory used by unreferenced object can be reclaimed. uh, Programmers does not need to mark that object to be deleted, which can be deleted automatically. Garbage collection implemented in Java virtual machines. uh, Types of Java garbage collections are, um, first one is a minor or incremental garbage collection. It have the occurred when unreachable object in young generation of heap memory are removed. The next one is a major or full garbage collection. It's said to be occurred when object that are on minor garbage collection and copied into old generation or permanent generation. uh, when compared to the young generation, garbage collection happens less frequently in old generation. Some of important concepts of related to garbage collections are, first one is unreachable object. Object said to be unreachable when it doesn't contain any reference. Also the object which are the part of uh, isolation are also unreachable. Next one is the eligibility of garbage collection. Object is said to be eligible for garbage collection if it is unreachable, or it has a null object. uh, uh, some ways to make an object eligible for garbage collector are, uh, The programmer is not responsible for destroying useless object, but it is highly recommended to make an object unreachable if it is no longer required. There are generally 4 ways to make object eligible for garbage collections are: first one is a reference variable, reassigning the reference variable, an object created inside the method, and isolation of object. Um, Next is advantages of garbage collection in Java. It makes the Java memory efficient because garbage collector removes the unreferenced object from heap memory or object which are not in use. Next one, it is automatically done by garbage collector, which is a part of JVM. So we don't need to remove that. It is an automatic process. Um, Garbage collector also provide the sum of method that is the parameter. So first one is a parameterized constructor to initialize the object. Next one, method to show the display the id, name, and etc. Next method is show next IDs, which displays the id of next object. So garbage collector is also known as an unreferenced object. Garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the runtime unused memory automatically. It is also known as it is it is way to destroy the unused object. So that's all about today's topic, garbage collection in Java. Thank you.